How to find Fishing Planet promo codes. So if you want to have the Fishing Planet promo codes, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for redeemcodetoday.com and hit the enter. And after that, you will get this kind of interface from where you can simply enter the codes and you will be able to redeem the codes right here. So go with search, search for any game redeem codes, promo codes, and game guide and review. And the next website is medium.com. So once you search for medium.com or help.medium.com, then here you will have the search. You can simply search for the Fishing Planet promo codes and you will have some promo codes. You just need to simply use the promo codes in your Fishing Planet. And the third website is Steam. Here you can simply search for store.steampower.com and you can simply go with the store. On the store, you can search for Fishing Planet, and if you scroll down, then here you will have a lot of options or the promo codes right here. So you just need to simply go with the active promo codes that you have and you can use it on your Fishing Planet. So these were the three websites on which you can find the Fishing Planet promo codes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.